In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Skyscanner app. So if you're experiencing any challenge with your app, maybe your app is too slow or it can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can solve this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of methods you can use. In the first method, we are going to access the app info page. To do this, go to settings. And from settings, look for the option called apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps on your Android smartphone or all apps, and this will take you to a list of all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now from the list, scroll down until you find your app, and you can see my app is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using the search function here, and this will take you to this app. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can see we are on the app info page, and this is where we can begin our troubleshooting. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get there. For that, go back to your app and then long press on it and tap on app info. Now this will take you again to the same app info page. Go down here and look for clear data. Of important, we want to clear the cache data. And if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of cache data. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because of accumulation of cache data. Now, when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. However, the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. As you can see, I have over 17 MBs of cache files. To clear them, go to clear data down here and then choose clear cache and OK. And now the cache files have been cleared. Restart your smartphone and then open your app, and this should have solved your problem. However, should you still experience any challenge, come back here again, and then this time around again tap on clear data and go to clear all data here and OK, and then try opening your app. However, if this too didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and look for your app through Google Play Store or App Store and look for any update. So I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for this app through Google Play Store, then search for any update. If it is available, you'll see it here. Then update your app to the latest version and open it to start using the latest version of Skyscanner app. However, should this not solve the problem, then it means you still have bugs on your app or traces of bugs on your app. Then you need to go ahead and install the app and then install it afresh. So by using any of these four methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to your Skyscanner, Light Hotels and Cars app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.